Hey guys, welcome to j&jautowrecking's test video for LJFD285. This is our 1988 Ford Escort GT rally car. Saw this bad boy come across the auction and we had to have it. Showed up and she is a lot longer in the tooth than we thought. The 1.9's got 101,000 miles on it. She's running nice and smooth. Clearly she took a massive hit to this side. But we kind of thought this thing was rust-free, and spoiler alert, wow, tongue twister. That's not factory. I think maybe this is like an SVT add-on to when, like a rust kit. I don't know. But I don't think Ford used those to hold the struts in. Maybe I'm wrong, guys. Let me know in the comments below. The rest of this car is good from afar, but far from good. Lots of good cladding on it, good wheels, good door mirrors, a GT specific front bumper and headlights and grille. But as far as body panels, there's not a single straight or rust-free one on it. Running nice and smooth here. I'm gonna pull the box off of it. There she goes. Put the hood down and check out this beautiful front end. Woo! There she is. All right, let's test it out and see if we can at least have some fun with this girl. Oh yeah. Watch that seatbelt, boys. Those things were like the guillotine back in the day. My Accord had them, and every time you close that door, it would choke you. All right, 101,023 miles. Tack isn't working. Shocker, it's an antique Ford. Test out the radio. Hey, no display, that's broken. AC. Come on, baby. Oh, I'm guessing the blower motor's probably bound up in the dashboard that got hit, but hey. We are like 0 for 3 on this test. Let's see if the manual window regulator's any good. It works. Tested. Hey, overhead display is working good. Let's go ahead and, ooh. Sounds like she might have a clutch delete. Let's try that again. Oh, okay, there we go. Just a little slippy. Slipping and gripping. All right, let's do a quick little test here. Oh yeah, there's no clutch left in this. Woo! We are sending it, boys. Road test. Oh, it died. Oh, it died, literally. It died in the middle of the test. You guys saw it ran. I think it's out of gas. I was gonna try to do some cool rally shenanigans for you guys, but the Ford had different plans for us. Looks like that's gonna end it for LJFD285. Guys, we tried for a rally video. She died. Go Ford. All the parts off this car are gonna be on our website. I'm gonna leave a link in the description below. Yeah, it's a Ford Escort GT, guys. Check us out, www.jandjautowrecking.com. Thanks for watching, and we're out.